Welcome back to the channel. Today is September 30th, 2025, and we're focusing on Carvana, ticker CVNA, which has been showing strong price action and impressive volume recently. Carvana stock closed at $392.66 yesterday, up 6.33% or $23.37, rallying from an open of $373 to a high near $394.54 before settling just below that. The stock has been volatile but has shown a robust uptrend, trading well above its 50-day moving average near $360 and its 200-day average close to $281. Carvana's market cap sits around $84.5 billion, and the company continues to post strong quarterly results, with earnings per share hitting $4.03, although it trades at a stretch price-to-earnings ratio of about 97. The stock hit an all-time high of $413.33 just a couple of months ago, so it's not far from that landmark yet. Carvana's growth is driven by expanding its used car e-commerce platform, improving logistics, and offering innovative financing options. Recent earnings beat expectations, with revenues of $4.84 billion last quarter and a projected increase to $5.05 billion next quarter. Analysts remain optimistic overall, with price targets ranging from around $330 to as high as $500, depending on growth and market conditions. The company faces competition and regulatory risks but continues to innovate in a rapidly digitizing auto market. For trading strategy, currently, CVNA shows healthy momentum but is also volatile with a beta of about 2.17. Support levels to watch are near $370 and $360, which have held in recent trading sessions. Traders could look for pullbacks near these levels for long entries, targeting resistance around $400 to $410. Set stop-loss orders below $355 to manage downside risk. Breakouts above the previous high near $413 could spark a strong continuation move. For options traders, buying calls on dips or engaging in call spreads could capture upside momentum, while selling puts near support may offer income. Risk management remains crucial given the stock swings. That's the latest on Carvana stock. Share your trading outlook in the comments. Subscribe for more fast-moving stock updates, and stay tuned as earnings season approaches. See you next time.